Introducing Echo Hub, a wall-mountable smart home controller powered by Alexa. It has an 8-inch touchscreen with a customizable dashboard for all of your smart home devices. With just a tap, you can arm your security system, or start a routine, or turn on the fan, or change the volume on an Echo. You can also view multiple live camera streams simultaneously. And early next year, it'll get map view as well. Because it's powered by Alexa, you can always ask it to start your morning routine or listen to the news. Echo Hub has support for all major connectivity standards, including Matter and Thread. It supports over 140,000 smart home devices. And with a compatible USB-C connector, it can get power over Ethernet from devices like Eero PoE Gateway. Echo Hub also connects locally to select smart home devices, making popular smart home commands even faster. So now when you use your Echo Hub to turn on a light, it'll turn on in as little as 300 milliseconds, which feels as fast as turning it on from a switch on the wall. Just like Echo Show 8's adaptive content, Echo Hub has an infrared sensor. It detects when you're nearby, and when you're not, you can customize it to show things like your favorite family photos. Other smart home hubs typically cost around $400. Echo Hub will be available later this year for just $179.99. With our latest LLM, with MapView and Echo Hub, we're enabling Alexa to become your home's central nervous system. Let's take a peek at how this all comes together.
All right, folks, we're about an hour left off in this epic matchup between Dallas and Seattle. And let me tell you,
we're gonna be late to our own party.
Anyone at the house yet?
Let me check.
It's a gridiron showdown with two top football teams going.
No one yet.
Alexa, find the fastest route home.
Getting directions to home.
By the way, Seattle's gonna lose.
No way.
Entry delay started.
Ooh, I'm freezing. Alexa, make it cozy in here.
Making it cozy. Disarmed.
Alexa, play my pregame playlist in the kitchen.
Alexa, play my pregame playlist everywhere.
Really? Alexa, set the oven to 400 degrees, make some coffee, and light the patio for the Seattle game.
Drop in on the kitchen. Honey, have you seen my jersey?
Yeah, just got it dry cleaned for you. Let's go Seattle.
Very funny.
Someone is at the front door.
Yeah, I'm checking right now. Oh, it's no one, honey. Whoops. What the? Alexa, there's a mess in here. It's game time.
Oh, it's on.
The dazzling lights of Seattle. Welcome to a
Alexa, who's your favorite football team?
I'm from Seattle. 12th man for life.